We serving looks, honey. We serving looks.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl. Dream house, dream spouse.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm coming back to you guys with another Throwback Thursday. So I have some hair here, y'all, from my local beauty supply store. I told y'all I was doing my buy one get one. This is my second buy one get one. Y'all, it only cost me $30, like $30 a piece for each wig, and you just can't beat that. Like, you can't beat that. So I did get the Freetress Equal baby hair lace front wig. I got it in the style 102, and I did get it in the color OT27. This OT27 or the 27 color is a little bit darker than what we're used to. I looked at the OT30 and I really wasn't feeling that. So I definitely wanted to pick up this OT27 and see what it looks like, y'all. So if you're interested, keep on watching, y'all. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and share this video with your bestie, and I will see y'all soon.
Every time we link up, put your drinks up, put your drinks up, put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. Put your drinks up, put your drinks up. I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire, and yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon a vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with a sling. This very moment, I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we wanna bring up. That I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive, alive, alive. That I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. This is my moment. I have become alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive, alive, alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life, for life, for life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive, alive, alive.
Okay, y'all, so these are my final thoughts on this hair. I think she's absolutely adorbs. I think she's so gorgeous. She is giving me all types of summer vibes, honey. I am absolutely loving the length, okay? And I'm absolutely loving the density. I love how full she looks, how effortless she looks, and I am really getting vacation vibes from her. She's giving me all types of Hollywood glamour, y'all. What I absolutely love about this hair is the color. Now, I started off with the OT27. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get that color because it wasn't as light as I thought it was gonna be, but I'm so happy that I did go with the OT27 because I feel like it complements my skin tone so well. Also, I love the fact that the baby hairs were the right density, y'all, like perfect. Y'all know how sometimes y'all get wigs and the density is way too thick and you have to end up plucking it, and I feel like that's too much, honey. Like, that's too much work, honey. And I felt like these just laid like flawlessly. They were so easy to lay down. Now, the only thing that I wasn't too pleased about this wig is the transition from the baby hair to the actual hairline. So as you all can see, here's your baby hair, but when you get to here, it gets so super thick so quick. So I would say that would be a drawback for me, but because you can manipulate it and finesse it to your liking, I don't think that it will be a problem. I think she's super worth the money. She was only 30 bucks, so super affordable, and I love the parting space. I did not have to pluck her or anything, you guys. It was just perfect. I added my makeup and that was it. In my opinion, y'all, I do not believe that she is big head friendly. I did use the adjustable straps just to tighten her up a little bit, but my concern is for people who have the larger size heads that it will not fit you from ear to ear. Now, mine did fit perfectly and I did not glue down the ear tabs, but I feel like if you have a larger head that it may come up a little bit short on you, so you do want to look out for that. But if that is no worry for you guys, then absolutely get her. So dolls, thank you so much for watching and showing me so much love and support. Y'all are so ride or die and I appreciate y'all. Do not forget to hit that like button, y'all. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Later.
5 minutes later.
Y'all, I done sat here and cut off all this hair like after the camera like turned off. I just wanted to see what she would look like different because I'm absolutely feeling this color. I just wanted a different look and this is what she's looking like after it's cut. So you guys, if y'all are looking for a look after she's a little tangled and you're like, oh well, what else can I do with my wig, you can definitely turn her into a bob, honey, and she is still summer ready. Okay, but I wanted to come on real quick, you guys, because I knew that I had done this to this wig, and just in case you guys are wondering, once you see it on my Instagram, you know how I got this look. Y'all, the same wigs, just different cut. But she is giving me all types of Whitney Houston vibes, and the curls are still soft and bouncy. But I cannot believe I sat here and just cut this wig. But y'all, that's what I do. I play in here, honey. We're gonna give a different look, honey. We serving looks, honey. We serving looks. And then if y'all feel like the other hair is too hot, that's why I absolutely love the bob as well, because you can also get that look, get that fullness, and I didn't have to curl a thing, honey. Not a thing. But yeah, you guys, I love you all and I'll see you next time.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the park.